Right, another sort of a restoration project. It's quite a large Dole twin cylinder. It's a 512/1. I've wanted one of these for quite some time. I'm particularly fond of the twin cylinder machines, and this one looked quite nice. It has got some parts missing. It wants work. I'm guessing the base has been repainted at one point. I've got some spare parts, but these need retapping. It looks like it's had a repair at one point anyway, because I can see the solder there. I've got a box of parts. I've got most of the parts with it. In fact, I think I've got all the parts with it. Really nice model. I'll show you around it. Yeah, twin cylinder. I've had it running on air. I just screwed some screws in the holes just temporarily, see if it would run, and it runs on air, no problems at all. It's got a decent chimney, so there's but you can see this has come detached from the bracket down the bottom. I've done a little bit of work already. These vents have covers. There's one cover present, so that will go on there. That will go on there. But I need to make another one. At least I've got this one as a pattern. I don't know if they were silver, because this one looks like it was painted silver at one point. I think I can make another one of them. Got this as a pattern, so I don't think that's a difficult job. What else can I say? It's even got the like drain cocks. I mean, imagine that's original, but it's got lovely little drain cocks. I think these cylinders have been painted. I don't think they were original colour. There's a screw missing there. I had to quickly make this pipe up. There was a pipe missing completely, but I made that up. So it's got a pipe on there, a steam pipe. It will be nice when I get it going. I want it running on steam. It's a bit on the slack side, so it's had plenty of use. It's got the original weight, although no matter how far you feel that, it's got the original weight, but that screw is screwed all the way in, and it's not catching. It's not catching. So I'm gonna have to do something with that. Needs packing out somehow. Yeah, parts wise, it's got a reasonable amount of parts with it. It's got a lovely original burner. Really good condition that is. I mean, that's astonishingly good condition for how old it is. And they fit in. They fit in lovely as well. I like these when you fit them in. It matches up with the base. So I like that. That's a really nice touch. So I've got to make up another cover. I've got a whistle. Original whistle was present. I've got the other stairs. So they will go on there. The boarding. Stairs here. They will go up to the walkway. I've got the drain cock. And there's another tap here. I think that's just as a spare. Sight glass cover. I think that's the wrong one because it's too short. But I've got another one. It might be longer. So yeah, there's a box of bits. I've got to make that up. This is it's a restoration project. It was bought as a restoration project, but it'll be a lovely model when it's done. These look lovely when they're running. I mean, when I run it on air, it looked great. Yeah, so it's just a quick video, show you what's coming up. So yeah, do a like and subscribe if you want to see the restoration of this and see it running, because it's going to take me a few weeks, and I'll probably do 2 or 3 videos on this, might even be more, from how it is now to the finished article. Yeah, it's had plenty of use, this one. I know it's had plenty of use, because that end, I think the end cap has already been, I think that's already been off once. But yeah, I mean, it's not a point to say I'm not going to paint it. It's already been painted. These have been painted. The base has been painted. I dare say the wheels have been painted. So this one, I'll just paint it. It's had a repair there for the chimney, for the chimney box, because that comes off. But this, you can see that that's a repair. So yeah, I will paint this one, because it's not old patina. This base is new paint. So I'm going to leave it there. But yeah, do a like and subscribe if you want to see the rest of the restoration of this, because this will look lovely when it's done, and it will sound lovely, and it'll run lovely. I've already had it running on air, as I say. So, but yeah, I'll leave it for there, guys, and yeah, I'll show you in the next one. Cheers.